Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. Thanks for watching us today. My name's Rich Tarani. We're on location in Boston, where we're speaking with a number of tech leaders, and on our program is Brian Suthoff. He is a VP of Market Development at Localytics. Brian, how are you?
Great, thank you.
So your company provides analytics for app developers and mobile devices, tablets, etc., right?
That's right.
And being on the market development side, I thought it would make sense to talk with you a little bit about what you're seeing with the market right now in terms of the companies you're speaking with. What are their needs and how are you helping them with those needs?
Right. So what we're seeing is our customers fall into kind of two general buckets, broad buckets. So we have a lot of customers where mobile is their business. The application is their business. And then we have customers where mobile is an extension of their existing business.
Like maybe an e-commerce company where they were on the web and now they're moving on.
Exactly. So on the mobile is their business size, or apps are their business, we have a customer, for example, named CardStar, who has an app to help you manage your loyalty cards. So it's very location-based, it's very shopping-oriented. On the extension of their existing business side, we have content publishers, like the New York Post, who are producing their content for an app environment, as well as e-commerce applications, branding opportunities, et cetera.
And how do you help these different customers?
So each of them has a different business model. So a lot of them are driven, at least partially, by advertising. So across the board, we help them understand who their users are and how their users interact with their application and how engaged they are and loyal they are. For those that are deriving some of their money from advertising, we help them measure advertising performance and really target or the effectiveness of that advertising. And then those that have more of a freemium or an upsell model or an e-commerce model, there's a lot of focus on conversion tracking. So how are people engaged who are most likely to upgrade to another version of the product?
So you say that you help these companies find out who their customers are. How do you necessarily do that? Is it via location? Is it via something else? Network they're on?
So the way we help customers who are building apps is they integrate us into their application.
Okay.
And we provide our libraries in binary and open source code, very simple 10-minute integration. Once integrated into the app, we can report location of customers, and that can be at a gross level, such as country,
right? Or
with the customer's approval and the app's design, it can be more detailed, depending on the functionality of the application.
Could be with GPS, you could know exactly where they are.
It could be with GPS. We can look at carrier level. So actually, we are the app analytics platform for Verizon and Sprint. So we help their developer community learn more about customers on those carriers.
Very exciting. And in terms of demographic information, I guess there's no demographic information at this point, right, that you can determine? I guess you could ask them.
That's what's most typical, is that a lot of apps will ask for some demo information,
sure,
whether it's age bucket or category or gender or location as part of the registration
sure,
process. So then that can be captured and used in the analytics. That's right.
Okay. So what's one of the most exciting stories that you've seen of one of your customers, how you've helped them a tremendous amount? You don't even have to say the name if you're not allowed to say the name of a particular customer, but in terms of a customer that came to you and you did something for them and really wowed them or changed their business model or just improved things for them.
Let's see. So we have a few examples. One thing we do, a couple things we do that are unique are reports are provided in real time, and we also provide very detailed level data. So, kind of a generic example maybe on the content publisher side is they'll use us to see in real time, what kind of stories or content people are accessing, what's bubbling to the top as most popular for the day, and therefore
right,
what should they turn around and promote maybe through other channels, right, or inside their application.
Okay, fantastic. Well, thanks for being on the program today.
Thank you.
It's great to
Pleasure.
spend some time. Yeah.